Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here and I'm super excited that you're back, guys. This is going to be Decor with me for fall. And guys, excited. The weather is still hot here in my state, but there's some wind blowing, which gives you a little bit hope for fall. I don't know why we do that. We are so excited for summer. When summer comes, we are super excited to see fall. When fall comes, we're like, winter, where's Christmas? But then we're like, oh, it's cold, where's summer? Come on, we gotta make up our mind, right? But guys, fall is one of my favorite seasons. Apart from Christmas, fall is super exciting for me. And I took this time to film this video to decorate with me. So you are going to come and decorate with me. And I'm excited for you to see what I got. Thank you guys, stay tuned. I love opening the blinds in the morning to get the air out that's inside and bring the fresh breeze from the outside in, since we're getting closer to fall, and making the house feel very cozy by letting fresh light in. Welcome to my front door, guys. If you never seen my house tour with my front door, please go ahead and check it out. But we are going to decorate the front door as well as the porch by removing spring items and bringing in fall. I did a video that which shows what I purchased and where I purchased them. And this wreath that's there on the wall, I got it at the Goodwill. And these beautiful signs that I'm putting right now in front of my door, which you should have seen before, is from the dollar store, and I have a haul on it. I just love the way the front door looks, guys. It reminds me of fall. Anyone who will come over and be like, oh, it's time for fall. That's exactly what I wanted to empower here, just showing fall in the front door. I love those Dollar Tree signs, guys. If you're interested, obviously it will be at the dollar store for $1 to make your front door look really nice. Guys, this is my favorite part, decorated inside of the house. So I got these beautiful garland from the dollar store, just $1, guys. But when it's a single one, it looks a little bit cheap. So I got 2 of them to double up to look a little fuller. Guys, if you know me, you know I do not like color that much. I did not want a lot of pop of color. but I really like the orange. That's what reminds me of fall, guys. So I decided to add a pop of color and leave the rest neutral. This thankful sign, I got it at the dollar store as well. Everybody has it. It's $1. Guys, go ahead and get yours. These pumpkins at the dollar store as well. So I removed my candle holder and added the pumpkin up there, which I think makes it stand out instead of being on by itself. And I really like it. So guys, I did the same thing on the other side so that it can be equal, even though they're not on the same level, but you know, it's even. Guys, so I'm gonna decorate my coffee table, which is one of my favorite things to do. This pumpkin, I got it at the Goodwill last year, and it's from Home Good actually. I tried to show you the price, but I didn't really do a good job on it. And this candle holder as well at the Goodwill. If you ask me why I shop at the Goodwill so much, I won't be able to tell you. It's like a rush of saving money, knowing that this costs $20 and I got it for $2 plus 50% off $1. That's what inspires me to go at the Goodwill so much. I love it, guys. I love it. So this is what it turns out to be like. Really simple, really nice, but I love it, guys. That pop of blue, super cool, just to die for. I just love it. Welcome in my entryway, guys. So I got this dollar sign, says here, welcome friends. And I thought it would be super cool to have it in front of the door. When people open the door, they can feel welcome by seeing it there. This orange pumpkin and the gold pumpkin also at the dollar store. These two, I got it last year. So guys, my hallway is very narrow, meaning my front entryway. So I opened the door to show you guys what it looks like when you enter in the house, how you're going to see it. It's very welcoming. Obviously, the sign says welcome friends, so welcome in, guys. So guys, we are going in my kitchen, and I had these from summer and spring. This sign that says lemonade, which I really like it, also at the dollar store, and the olive oil bottle sign at the dollar store. So I'm going to remove them, and I'm going to bring in the fall items. Sorry for the light. I'm going to close the window after so you can see it better. For now, please bear with the glare. As you can see, guys, I love this. When I did my Dollar Tree haul for fall, I found these and I was like, oh my God, it's to die for. The little red truck with the pumpkin in the back, I can't wait for the winter so I can get the one with the Christmas tree. As you can see the smile on my face, this brings me joy. So guys, this is the overall view of my living room. Like I said, if you're interested of a living room tour, please let me know. I would definitely film it for you guys for fall. But this is what it looks like after decorating everything in the living room, and soon we are going to go upstairs in my bedroom and get that one decorated as well. But I really like it. It's just a pop of orange and yellow here and there, which brings it to the fall family, you know. Welcome to my bedroom, guys. So I got this beautiful light, this mini light. I believe they're 5 feet from the dollar store, and this is what I plan to do with it. What do you guys think? I think when it's dark and you turn the light off and you don't need a lamp, this will be pretty cool to have it in your bedroom or on top of your bed, as I'm doing. I really like it, guys. What do you guys think? Would you try this at home? Let me know if you would. So guys, I put back the drips so you can see what it looks like, and I really like it. I think this was a great little idea that I got, and I would definitely use it again next year the same way like that. I think it brings a little ambience in the bedroom. I obviously need some pumpkin on the table, but it's okay. I like it so far. Guys, if you have not seen my bedroom tour, there's a video on it up on my channel, so you can definitely click on it and get a look at it. But guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video. It was my pleasure filming this video with you. If you need a whole house tour for fall, write in the comment below and let me know. I like when you guys leave a comment. It inspires me, encourages me to keep going forward. So please leave a comment below what do you think about this decorate with me. And if you're excited to see a full house tour video for fall, definitely let me know in the comment below. And click on that like button and the subscribe button, guys. It's free. Thank you guys for coming back. Stay tuned for the next video that will be coming up. God bless you all. Bye-bye.